All right, when it comes to ADU, there are a few options, and they all differ on how long it will take and how much it will cost. The first option and most affordable is to turn an existing part of your home into an ADU apartment. So what we have done in the past a lot is turn a garage into an apartment, turn a basement into an apartment, or even an existing bedroom or existing living room into an apartment. The advantage of doing something like that is that you don't have to build a foundation. So you don't have to get a surveyor, you don't have to worry about setbacks. And because we don't have to build the foundation, it's also a lot faster to approve and it's faster to be built from start to finish. So the second option is to build above. So for an example, if you have a garage or a two-car garage, we could build an apartment above the garage or even above a certain area of your house that would be easier for us to build on top. So what's the challenge with that? Is to reinforce the first floor to receive the second floor. So there's some structural, but the advantage is that we, again, using the same footprint of the house. So we're not building to the sides or to the front or to the back. So therefore, we don't need a surveyor and we don't need to worry about setbacks. Okay, let's go over the third option. So the third option, and it's one of my favorites to be honest with you, is when you build to the front or to the sides or to the back. It's more time consuming, but it's like, it feels like you're doing a new construction, you know? It feels like we're building it from scratch. And honestly, it's like building a home addition. It's the same scope, same everything. But again, it's a little bit harder to approve because you gotta make sure that you stay within the right setback, which means the distance from where you're building to the property line. You also have to consider if there's anything in the ground that can be affected when we're excavating, doing the foundation and stuff like that. Also, you will need to have a licensed surveyor to survey the property and give us a plot plan. The end results are always better because you're building everything new, everything from scratch. But you gotta understand that that's going to take longer and it's gonna cost a little more. Now, there's an option that can save us time and money when it comes to build out or home additions or ADU additions to the right, to the front, or to the back. It's a different type of foundation. It's called helical posts. They're galvanized posts and they come to replace the regular concrete foundation. You can build the ADU on a frost wall foundation, which goes 4 feet under the ground. You can build the ADU over a full foundation with a full basement. That is the most expensive one, but if you decide to finish the basement later, it's an option. But the most affordable one, and the one that's gonna buy us a lot of time and money, is the helical post. They're approved by Massachusetts building codes, and it's a one-day job instead of waiting a month, maybe a month and a half to build a concrete foundation. All right, I hope I answered all the questions you had in regards to building an ADU at your property. And if you have more questions in regards to the helical posts or any types of build of the ADU, you can always contact us and I'll be happy to answer any questions you may have. Thank you for watching. See you next time.